Hello everyone. Today I'm going to work on tapping out words with you, blending it, and then deleting the first sound and replacing it with a new sound to then blend it. I will walk you step by step the first round, and then after that, it's on you. All right, so please tap out the sounds as I write them. B, a, t. Tap it again. B, a, t. Blend it. Bat. Now, I'm going to slash the b and put in a k. What's the new word? This is where you will blend it yourself and tell me what the new word is. When I say blend it, this is what it will look like. Cat. Now, your word is cat. I'm going to get rid of the k and put in a s. What's the new word? Sat. Your word is sat. Get rid of the s and put in a m. What's the new word? Mat. Great work. I'm going to set up a new word for us to work on. All right. All right, let's tap out the word. Ox. Ox. Blend. Locks. Your word is locks. Get rid of the and put in a b. Box. Your word is box. Get rid of the b and put in a s. Socks. Your word is socks. Get rid of the s and put in a what's the new word? Fox. Great job. This is going to help us continue to blend words and just to read it without having to tap it out every time. When you start to see these patterns in words. All right, let's go ahead and try a new one. Tap it out. Blend it. 10. Your word is 10. Get rid of the t and put in a v. Ven. Your word is ven. Get rid of the v and put in a p. Pen. Your word is pen. Get rid of the p and put in a d. Your word is den. Great work. This time, I'm not going to write the letter down after we replace it. I want you to try to do this without seeing the letter. All right, here is our word. W. T. Tap it out. W. T. Blend it. What? Your word is what. Get rid of the w and put in a s. You're right. Sut. Get rid of the s and put in a k. Cut. Your word is cut. Get rid of the k and put in a ol. Let. Great work. Get rid of the ol. Your word is let. Get rid of the ol and put in a v. Vat. Good job. Try it again. It. Tap it out. It. Blend it. Pick. Your word is pick. Get rid of the p and put in the s. Sick. Your word is sick. Get rid of the s and put in the t. Tick. Your word is tick. Get rid of the t and put in a s. Sick. Your word is sick. Get rid of the s and put in a n. Nick. Your word is nick. Get rid of the n and put in a z. Zick. Nice work. Those are some ways to help you work on being able to blend words. I hope that helped. Don't be afraid to try this at home on your own. All right. Have a great day.